Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so recently I got a comment from one of my subscriber saying that he get a white screen of his app and then the actual main.dat page gets run. Okay, so you can see the white screen. The white screen is not the actual lagging of a app. It is actually fly screen, a default fly screen given by Flutter team. Okay, so in this video tutorial, we're gonna edit this fly screen and add our own logo or anything. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, I will create a Flutter project in my Android Studio. So let's go there. Okay, so our Flutter project has been ready in our Android Studio. Okay, and this is my physical device connected to USB. Okay, so to check the flash screen in the Android, go to Android, in app, resources, main, and then the open Android manifest.xml file. Over here, you can see in activity, there is a theme, and theme is from Stell and the theme name, that is launch theme. Okay, so we will go over here, that will be in resources, res, here, and then the style.xml. Okay, so here is the style launch theme, and it has one item, that is window background, and the window background comes from a drawable folder, that is launch background. So we will go to drawable folder. Okay, so as you can see, the launch. Okay, so here you can see that the first item is drawable, that is simple white screen. So whenever we open this, this item will get shown the white screen. You can change it to any color you want, so we can change it to black. Okay, and then if you want to show a logo of your company or anything image you want to show, there is a command, this tag syntax. You just need to remove the comment part. Okay, so here this is the first item, and this the whole thing is the second item. Okay, on the top of this background, this second item will be shown. Okay, the second item is just a bitmap image, and the image comes from bitmap folder. Okay, so now what we will do, we will copy our company logo over here, and then we will call this. Okay, we will just copy this and paste it into our drawable folder and name this as logo.png. Okay, so our logo is in drawable folder, so this would be drawable and the image name, that is logo. Okay, so I will just restart the app now. So you can see there is a image, and then our actual app gets loaded. Okay, so this can be done in our iOS folder also. So just go to iOS and over here, runner, assets, application launch image. Okay, so you need to copy the image over here. Just copy it, logo.png. Okay, so as you go, copy the image, open the content.json file. Over here, the file name you need to change. Okay, logo.png. logo.png, logo.png. Just you need to edit the image size. Okay, so as you can see 2x 23 like this. Okay, so this will get run on iOS folder also. So I don't have a iOS device, so I can't show you an example of iOS. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, okay, so we will come back to Android part. So we were here. Okay, and then so as you can see, the size of the logo is very big, so you can edit it in your item. Here you just need to do is give width and height for the image. We will give as 300 dp and height we will give as 300 by 300. Okay, and then here just cut this gravity and gravity will make it as center. Okay, so I will just restart the app now. Okay, so as you can see it is looking very perfect. A flash screen with a logo and then your actual app gets opened.